The whole assembly is made of 1¼ inch PVC pipe. This is a two-way adjustable fitting. I purchased that on Amazon. The two T's are bored out using sandpaper and a hole saw. This allows it to move forwards and backwards. I took a 4-inch piece of PVC pipe and heated it up with a butane torch to accept the handle of the umbrella. It's held in place by a bungee cord. It's all held in place by one strap. It doesn't restrict the dolly. I store it inside the kayak in a PVC pipe. It makes kayaking a little bit more bearable without it being in the direct sunlight.